and welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Canva. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make a professional-looking thumbnail. Canva makes it easy and free. Let's dive in. Setting up your Canva account. First, if you don't already have a Canva account, head over to canva.com and sign up for free. You can use your Google account or create a new one. Link in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Canva homepage where you can create new designs. Here's how Canva homepage looks like. Shame my internet is very slow. You can see YouTube thumbnail icon. You can click it. At the top right corner, you will see your profile name. I want to be specific on my search. What can I search for? I recommend that you search for a specific topic like food, travel, or anything related to. Let's search for food. Please note this as we recap. Choosing the right thumbnail template. To create a YouTube thumbnail, type YouTube thumbnail in the search bar at the top. This will show you a list of pre-made templates that are already the correct size for YouTube, 1280 by 720 pixels. Pick a template that catches your eye. If you want to create something from scratch, just click on the Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail option. Canva have a lot of templates to choose from. You can customize all of these, free of charge. This AI tool is one of the best if not the best. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Scroll down, see how stunning these templates looks. Which one is outstanding? Let me choose this one. Which one is better? After selected the desired template, pop window will be opened. Wow, this looks good. Here is Customize button, click on it and see magic. Wait for it to load. My internet is running slow. Still loading. Wait for it. Okay, this is where we will be doing the editing of this thumbnail. All the elements in this thumbnail can be edited. We can start by editing the title. I will not be doing much. I will not change the background, but you can if you want. Let's change colors for each amount displayed. Let's start by changing the color of $2.45 text. Click A icon with font color. I can change it to red. No, let's make green since it's affordable. Do not click change all as it will change all elements color to green. Let's see what we have. Let's do the same for $4. This. Again, don't click change all button. Let's make it red. Alright, we have managed to change the amount's colors. Now, we can also resize our dishes. To resize, click and hold, then move to any direction. Now we can edit the title. I just want to change effects by clicking on Effects icon above. We have multiple options. Go through each and observe the difference. Text background. Lefts. None is also an option. We can change outline, then change color to black. Thumbnail must have 1. Bright colors. 2. Visible effects. 3. Must be eye-catching. Make sure the text contrasts well with the background. If the background is bright, use darker text, and if it's dark, use lighter text. Before we finish, take a moment to preview your thumbnail. Does it look good? Does the text stand out clearly? You can always adjust any part of your design by clicking on it and making changes. Once you're happy with your design, click on the download button in the top right corner and select PNG or JPEG as your file format. Thumbnail will be downloaded to your computer. When you upload your video, make sure to select Custom Thumbnail and upload the one you just created. And that's it! You've successfully created a professional YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Hold on, what if you don't want to use template? Go to Files, click it. Select Create New Design. Then type Thumbnail. Select YouTube Thumbnail. Wait for it to load. Here we have blank. You need to be sure about the colors, text, background, or photos you want to use. You'll be taken to the design editor where the fun begins. The first thing you can do is change the background. Click on the background to change the color, upload an image, or use one of Canva's built-in photos. You can search for free images in the Photos tab on the left side. I will search for background on the Elements tab. Select black background. Now select Set as Background. I will add text. To do that, click on Text tab. Then click on Add a Heading. I will just add, "Thank you for watching" on the text box. Then I will add effects, so you can also change the color of your text. For maximum impact, choose a color that contrasts well with your background. For instance, if your background is dark, use white or light colored text. If your background is light, use dark text for contrast. Don't forget to adjust the size of the text. It should be big enough to be easily readable, but not so large that once you're happy with your thumbnail, it's time to download it. Click the download button in the top right corner. Choose either PNG or JPEG as the file format for the best quality. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create stunning thumbnails for your YouTube videos using Canva. Thumbnails are one of the most important aspects of video marketing, and now you have the skills to create thumbnails that stand out and attract more views. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and happy thumbnail designing!